Happy morning. Yes, Krishi, everyone mute your audio. Let's start our session now. Yes. So, yes, children, before getting into today's session, before getting into today's session, stated on today's date. So, what is today's date? 7/1/2021. 7 here denotes today's date. 7th. 1. 1 here denotes first month of the year, that is January. We are in January month. 2021 is this year. So today's date is 7/1/2021 and today is Thursday. 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 Today is Thursday. Today's date is 7/1/2021 and today is Thursday. Okay, now let's see healthy habits for healthy kids. Okay, eat healthy food. Be physically active. Avoid junk food. Drink plenty of water. Maintain hygiene. So, if you follow all these habits, you will be a healthy kid. Yes, children? Hope you all will be following this. I'll repeat. Eat healthy food. Be physically active. Avoid junk food. Drink plenty of water. Maintain hygiene. Okay, now let's see character education and importance of character education. Why character education is important for us? Character education is important for us because character is who we are and how we act. It is about being caring, respectful, trustful, and fair. And people will notice us when we portray these traits in our everyday actions. Okay, children, so you have to follow all these things. So let's see this week character trait. So character trait of the week is self-discipline. Okay, now accepting no. Accepting no. I can accept being told no. If anybody is saying no for anything, any of your work, for example, if you want to spread out your toys and you want to play, your mummy is saying, Kana, please wait, let me clean the house and then you can spread the toys and play. So you have to accept that no. You have to think over that. You should not get angry or upset. Okay, that is what is accepting no. You should accept being told no. Okay, so I'll just read this. I might not like being told no. For sure, everybody will not like it. If anybody is saying no to anything, for sure everybody will not like it. But I have to stay calm and not get angry or upset. So at the moment, if anybody is saying no, you have to stay calm. You have to be silent and you should not get angry or upset. So when I am told no, I have choices I can make. So you have to search for a better choice. If anybody is saying no, you have to search for a better choice. That's what. So I can ask nicely if I can choose something different or have what I want at a later time. So you can think over for a better choice. You can play with something else with different, not spreading over the toys. You can spend your time with something else. Yes, at that time to spend your time, and even you can wait for some time calmly, and you can play later also after your mummy is cleaning your house. Yes, so you can think, you can make your own choices. You should not get angry, you should be silent, you should be calm and do it by yourself. Okay, I can calmly say how I feel. You can surely show your feelings, but in a soft manner. I can write about how I feel in a friendly way. You can also write and show your feeling in a friendly way, not in a hard way. Okay, so this is what accepting no. Okay, now see, here we have a few pictures, and these pictures shows the behavior of few children, and saying that you have to say me that whether this behavior shows self discipline or not. Yes, are you ready? Let me move on to the first picture. I can't play video games today because I have a test tomorrow. Whether this shows self discipline or not. Whether it shows self discipline or not, kindly put it in the chat box. Kindly put it in the chat box. Now only I am saying, because we have very poor network quality because of this climate. Excuse me. Kindly put it in the chat box. Now you must have started to type, right? No, I'm not getting any answers. See, I will read it again. I can't play video games today because I have a test tomorrow. Whether this shows self discipline or not. Hope I am audible, right? Oh my god, no answers at all. Why? No, I didn't expect this from you. Very good. Satvika is, Kanitra is very good. Yes. This shows self-discipline. Because since he is having a test tomorrow, he is not playing video games, and he is reading. Yes, he is preparing for his test. Naresh, kindly mute your audio, Kanna. Yes. So this shows self-discipline. The next one, I'm going to save my allowance so I can buy a book. So this girl is saving money to get a book. Whether this shows self-discipline or not? Yes, it's a very good thing, right? To get a book, to buy a book. So this shows self-discipline. The next one. I'm going to be noisy while mom is having an important call. See this, his mother is attending some important call. Okay, and this boy is very much noisy. He's making too much of noise. Whether this shows self-discipline or no? No, Nandana, very good. Yes, this does not show self-discipline. Next one. I'm going to do homework without being reminded by my mom and dad. Yes, Nandana, very good. So, without a reminder, Janavika, super, very good. Without reminder, this girl is doing homework by herself. Yes, so this shows her self-discipline. Very good. Puviri, yes, very good. The next one, I'm going to sneak some junk food while dad isn't looking. Is this shows self-discipline? No, very good. I'm getting many answers. Eating junk food itself, it is very bad. That too in the absence of mommy or daddy. It is very, very bad, right? This does not show self-discipline. I'm going to dress myself up and even tie my shoelaces on my own. Very good. I'm getting many answers. Yes, you must be independent. Yes, you must do your work by your on your own. So this shows your self-discipline. The last one, I'm going to play on my phone while I am eating. This shows self-discipline or no? No, it's a very bad habit, right? When you're eating, you should not use phone. Kanna, please mute your audio. Kindly put it in the chat box. I'm getting many answers in the chat box. Why one or two you are unmuting and saying the answer? Today we have very poor network quality, children. So please do not disturb. Okay? Very good. So all these things shows self-discipline, right? Yes. So let's see one activity. So let's see one activity which shows self-discipline. So here we have a beautiful train, right? So what you're going to do is you're going to draw a beautiful train like this in your scrap note. Listen, you're going to do it in the scrap note. So let me say the directions. Just one moment. See here. Write a situation where you can show self-discipline inside the school, house and the society. Society is nothing but public. In the public places, how you can show your self-discipline. Like when you're going to the market, mall or cinema theater, okay? So you will be drawing a train like this. In the engine you write self-discipline, and in the next compartment you can write it as school, and in this clouds like that smoke you can write it how will you maintain, how will you show your self-discipline inside the school. And in the next one you can write home, and here you can write how can you show self discipline inside your home. And the next it is society. Society is, I told, in the public places, how you can show your self discipline. Let it be by your own, whatever it is coming to your mind you can write it. Okay, if you want help for the spelling alone, you can ask your parents help. Okay children. Yes, self-discipline creates a brighter tomorrow. If you maintain, if you show self-discipline, you will be having a bright future. Yes? Okay. Now let's move on to a very quick recap on lesson number 12, Jack and the Beanstalk. So now let's read the lesson, and after the class gets over, you take your book and try to read the lesson by your own. Okay? Yes. So this is lesson number 12, Jack and the Beanstalk. So once upon a time, there was a boy called Jack. So he lived with his mother. They were very poor, means they had very less money. All that they had was a cow. One morning, Jack's mother told him to sell the cow. One day morning, Jack's mother asked him to take the cow and go to the market and sell the cow. On the way, he met an old man. He met an old man. He was having some magical beans in his hands. So the old man told, "You give the cow to me, I will give you this magical beans." First, Jack hesitated. Hesitated means just hold on back for few moments. just thinking for few moments whether let us do or not. That is called hesitating. So at first, sorry, Jack hesitated. What will happen if these beans are not magical at all? Okay, but he decided to take the beans. So he handed the cow to the old man and then he walked back home with the magical beans. When Jack's mother saw the beans, she became very angry. She was very angry and she just threw the beans out from the window. Now we do not have anything left. We are even poorer. So she was scolding like anything. So Jack was very much upset. So he went to sleep. He did not have his dinner also. Without having his dinner, he went to bed. So now let's see what happened. So next day morning, when Jack woke up, he looked out of the window. He was surprised. He saw a giant beanstalk. He saw a giant beanstalk. Giant means very big. Sorry. He went outside and started to climb the beanstalk. He climbed through the clouds and into the sky because it is a giant beanstalk, right? It is very tall, which it has grown up to the sky, till the sky. So he climbed until he saw a beautiful castle. Castle means a very big house where a prince or princess will be living, right? Okay. So he went inside the castle. That time he heard a strong voice. Dee da dum da dum. Jack got scared, so he immediately hid inside the cupboard. An enormous giant came into the room and sat down on the chair in front of a table. On the table, there was a hen and a golden harp. So, this enormous giant, the big giant, ordered the hen to lay an lay a golden egg, and the harp to sing a song. So the harp started to sing a song. So listening to that song, that giant went fast asleep. So after the giant slept, Jack came out from the cupboard. He took the hen and harp and ran away. Suddenly the harp sang, "Help, master, help!" The giant woke up and shouted, "Dee da dum da dum." The Jack ran to the beanstalk and started to climb down. So he was rushing up to climb down. Okay, let's see what happened. The giant saw that and he also came down after him. The Jack shouted, "Mother, help, mother!" The Jack's mother immediately took an axe and chopped down the beanstalk. So the giant fell and crashed to the ground. Now nobody ever saw him again. So with the golden eggs, Jack and his mother were no longer poor. So the harp's magical song brought happiness to Jack's mother and they lived happily. Yes, so this is all about the small boy Jack and the beanstalk and his mother. Okay, so now let's learn lesson number 12, Jack and the Beanstalk, dictation words. So dictation words from lesson number 12, Jack and the Beanstalk. So the first word is castle. 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 The second one is magical. 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 Third one is dinner. 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 Fourth one is angry. 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 Fifth one is giant. 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 Sixth one is axe. 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 The seventh one is brave. 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 The eighth one is market. 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 The ninth one is voice. 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 Tenth one is beanstalk. 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 Okay, I will give a very quick recap on dictation words. Kindly listen and repeat me by muting your audio. Castle, magical, dinner, angry, giant, axe, brave, market, voice, beanstalk. So these are the 10 dictation words from the lesson 12, Jack and the Beanstalk. Now let's see the opposites. Okay. Tall. Opposite for tall. Short. 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 Take. Opposite for take. Give. 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 Far. Opposite for far. Near. 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 Okay, I will give a very quick recap on opposites. Kindly listen and repeat along with me by muting your audio. The first one is tall. Opposite for tall, short. Number 2, take. Opposite for take, give. Third one, far. Opposite for far, near. Kindly put it in the chat box. Okay, so these are the 3 opposites from lesson 12, Jack and the Beanstalk. Now let us see, give one word for. Yes. So the first one is a musical instrument with strings. A musical instrument with strings can be told in one word as harp. It's seen in the lesson, right? Golden harp. Somebody is typing something. Nikhil? Nikhil, do not type unnecessarily in the chat box. Okay. Number 2. Hold back in uncertainty. Uncertainty means unexpected situation. Okay. Hold back in uncertainty can be told in one word as hesitate. 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 The third one, enormous. Enormous. Huge. Enormous can be told in other word as huge. Huge. I will give a very quick recap on give one word for a musical instrument with strings. Harp. Hold back in uncertainty. Hesitate. Third one, enormous. Huge. Yes, these are the give one word for. So all these things will be uploaded in the MBM app and you can do it, write it in your classwork, okay, later. Yes, children. Now let's move on to complete the sentence. Not visible. And it's over to, might be network issues. Just listen for 2 minutes. It will be seen. For me, it is.
No, yes, ma'am. For us,
Is
even
this
a network issue.
one?
Can we get the answers from the parents? Because can you see the screen? Because myself, yes. Okay, fine, good. Whoever is not able to see, kindly rejoin again because I myself has network issues. I cannot see the screen. So kindly rejoin again so that there will not be network issue once again. Thank you. Okay, now we have come to the complete the sentence. Yes, sir. So the first one is Jack took the magical beans in exchange of dash. So what is the answer, children? Can I get the answers in the chat box? Yes, cow. Very good, cow. Superb. Okay, so you are very thorough with this lesson, I believe. Okay, let's move on to the second one. The giant fell and crashed. Where did he fell and crash, children? What is the answer? No, is it so he fell and crashed in the castle itself? Yes. Nikhil, please don't type unnecessary messages in the chat box. Yes, the answer is ground. Very good, Mahavidya. Very good, children. So, giant fell and crashed into the ground, right? Super, very good. So, this is how you have to complete the sentences given. Okay? Yes, from the lesson 12, Jack and the Beanstalk. Now let's move on to the answer the following. So the first one is what did Jack's Jack's mother to do with the cow? What did Jack's mother ask him to do with the cow? What is the answer, children? Jack's mother asked him to sell the cow in the market. Yes, very good. To sell. Superb. See, Jack's mother asked him to sell the cow in the market. Very good. So, you cannot give me the answer in a word, right? You have to give me in the sentence format. Whenever a question has been asked, you have to answer in the sentence format like Jack's mother asked him to sell the cow in the market. Okay, and of course you do remember that whenever the sentence is beginning, you have to write it in the capital letter, and the end of the sentence you have to keep a dot, which is a full stop, right? Okay, let's move on to the second one. Whom did Jack see in the castle? Whom did Jack see in the castle, children? Yes. Whom did Jack see in the castle? Giant, very superb, yes. So Jack saw an enormous giant in the castle. What is the answer? Enormous giant. You learned just now, right? Enormous means huge. So huge giant in the castle, right? So Jack saw an enormous giant in the castle. Okay, the next third one. What made Jack and his mother rich and happy? So there were two things which made Jack and his mom rich and happy. What was it, children? The answer is yes. Is it only a yen also? Very good. The golden egg and the harp's magical song made them rich and happy. The golden egg and the harp's magical song made them rich and happy. Okay, so we are completed with the answer the following. Now let's move on to the tenses. Okay, so from few lessons we are coming through the tenses, right? We are picking up tenses from the lesson and we are learning what a present tense and the past tense also, right? Yes. Can you tell me what is a tenses? What are tenses, children? What are tenses? Tenses means which indicates a time of an action, right? Or an event.
Present tense, ma'am.
Yes, Kanna, you have tenses, present tense and past tense. That is types of tenses. I'm asking you, what are tenses? Time, yes, time of action or an event you do which indicates that is called the tenses. Okay, under the tenses you have present tense, past tense, and one more tense you have future tense, but we are learning only about present tense and past tense alone. Okay, let's move on to the first present tense. Yes, throw, throw. So, throw is the present tense. What is the past tense for throw? Throw, throw, throw. Okay. Next word, sell, sell. Sell is the present tense. What is the past tense for sell? Sold, sold. Okay, the next word, lay. Lay is the present tense. Okay, and what is the past tense for lay? Laid, laid. Okay, next one, hide. Hide is the present tense. And what is the past tense for hide? Hid, hid. See, you can see only E is not appearing, right? E is not here. So it is said to be hid. Hid. It is the past tense for hide. Okay, children? Yes. So these are the tenses which we came across from the lesson 12, Jack and the Beanstalk. Okay? Now let's move on to the make a sentence for the given word. Yes, you can frame your own sentence and you can write it here. Okay, yes, children. Are you ready to give me the answer? The word is sky. Can you frame your own sentence with the help of the given word? You can frame your own sentence and type it in the chat box. The word is sky.
It's very dark.
Oh, superb. The sky is very dark.
Very beautiful season.
Oh, so the sky is beautiful. Superb.
The sky is very beautiful.
Very good, children. So the sky is beautiful and in blue in color. Anything you can write. Okay. Sky is beautiful and blue in color.
Sky is blue, ma'am. Sky in the sky, ma'am.
Okay. Very good.
The sun is sunshine, ma'am.
Wow. Superb. Okay. Okay, children, it's very nice to hear that you can frame your own sentence with the help of a given word. Superb. Let's move on to the next word, master. Master. Yes, can you frame your own sentence? My master teaches me dance. I like my master. Wow. Great.
We all go to market.
What, Kanna? Yes.
I and master to supermarket.
Oh, superb. Very good. I and master goes to supermarket. Very good. Superb. Yes, others? Yes.
My master flying in the sky.
Oh. Okay, my master teaches me karate. Yes? Anything like that. My master teaches me karate, my music teacher.
My master.
My master teaches me
Teaching homework, ma'am.
Wow, superb.
Done.
Wow, very good, children. Very good. Very nice to hear so many sentences which has been framed by your own. Very good. Hats off. Congratulations. You've been well prepared. Okay, super children, super. Very good. Keep it up. Okay, I know it's very easy for you all to say it in oral manner, but I know it will be a little difficult when you write it, right? Because you people don't know the spelling much. But try to write it also and see. Okay, get the help of your parents and frame your own sentence. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Okay. Let's move on to the next one. That is the assignment part. Okay, this is going to be a workbook exercise which is given in page number 59. It's a very easy part for your children because we already learned this grammar part, right? Yes, sir. I hope you remember this. Can you see here a or an? What is that? We learned in a grammar a or an. What is the heading for it? Yes, articles. Very good, Mina. Superb. A or an, even the will be appearing. A and the. All these three are articles. Superb, superb. Very good. But now they asked us to fill in the blanks with a or and complete the sentence, right? Okay. Now give me the answer for here. Dash elephant is a big animal. Dash elephant is a big animal. So what will be your answer, children? And why an is appearing? Okay, the answers are correct. Why an is appearing? Because here the noun you can see is an elephant and the word, yes, the first letter is a vowel. Whenever you see a vowel in the beginning of the word, before that you should add and to it. As this is starting of the sentence, so I am writing in the capital letter. The first letter has to be in capital. So an elephant is a big animal. Superb, children, very good. Oh, Avineshwar likes elephant. Very good. Okay, now tell me the second one. I saw dash tiger at the zoo. What is the answer? Super, because the next one is not a vowel. Very good. Very good. Let's move on to the next one. It's very easy, right, children? Super. How many days are there in dash month? What is the answer? Very good. Because month, the letter M is not a vowel. So we are adding a to it, which makes how many days are there in a month. Right. Very good. Now let's move on to the next one. Charlie Chaplin is dash actor. So what is the answer? And why Anne is appearing here? Because the vowel here letter here is A. The next word which is appearing here is actor. In the beginning letter here, A is a vowel. So we are writing an. Can I write A in the capital? No, right? Because it is coming in the middle of the sentence. So I have to write only the small letters. Right? Okay. Next one. Rohan can climb dash tree. So what is your answer, children? Why because tree in the beginning letter is not a vowel. So we are writing very good, children. So this is how you have to complete this workbook exercise, which is given in page number 59. Okay. So let's move on to the next workbook exercise. This is also the articles which is given in the same page 59. Okay. And here previous page they have asked only to fill a or an. Here they've asked us to complete with the blanks with these three words, which is a, an, or the. Okay, are you ready to answer? Yes. First one. Rohan's mother got a dash toy car. So what is your answer? Right, very good, super. Next one. Dash car runs very fast. Why the is appearing here? Because you can see your noun is car, and whenever a car is the noun is repeated for second time, we have to use the. So this it is a sentence. It's a beginning of sentence. So can I write it in a small letter? No, I have to begin the capital, right? So the car runs very fast. Okay. Next one. Taj is dash hotel. The hotel is very big. What is the answer, children? Super. Very good. Next one. So Taj is a hotel. The hotel is very big. Okay. Next one. Tina had dash umbrella. What is the answer? And why an is appearing? Because the noun umbrella in that the beginning letter is a vowel. So we are typing an, right? Okay, dash umbrella is blue in color. What will be the answer? Because the noun is repeated second time. Again, this is a second as the beginning of the sentence. So I'm writing T with the capital letter. Okay. Next one. Disha bought dash gift for Trisha. What is the answer? What is the answer, children? Very good, Meenakshi. Isha bought a gift for Trisha. Okay, so in the next sentence, dash gift was a color box. Dash gift was a color box. What is the answer? The. Why the? Because gift, the noun is appearing for the second time. So the. Again, kindly note down, it is the beginning of the sentence, so the letter T has to be in capital. Okay, uppercase. Okay, next one. Dash Himalayas is the youngest mountains in the world. Yes, very good. The. Why the is appearing? Why not and cannot appear? Because Himalayas the letter H is not in the it's not a vowel, so we will not be able to write and. But why can't we write a? Yes, it is a noun, and of course it is only one, right? Like sun, moon, earth. So whenever you see one thing, one noun, we will say the sun, the moon, the Himalayas. Okay, so the Himalayas is the youngest mountains in the world. Okay, children. Yes. So complete this exercise which is given in page number 59. Okay. Yes. So we have come to the end of the session. Thank you so much, children. Be safe. Kindly keep washing your hands and okay. Yes. Thank you so much, children, and thank you so much, parents. Now it's time for us to unmute. Yes, Sam. Yes, Kanal. Kindly unmute yourself and say bye to ma'am and to your friends.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you.
Ma'am, Jai Gurdev, ma'am.
Jai Gurudev, Tanna. Jai Gurudev. Thank you so much. Bye. See you next. Bye. Bye. Thank you.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, children. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Take care. Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Jai Gurudev, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, Kanna. Jai Gurudev.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Bye, children.